Hello everyone, this is Jim Marksberry, aka Big Boss Jim, aka Sheriff Jim. Some of you guys will remember me from back in the days. Two guys, some trains. I was known on there as Sheriff Jim, as I was a moderator. They closed up, and that's basically when I got out of model railroading. I'm starting to dabble back in it again, and I'm coming back a little bit smaller. I do have a layout I want to build, but until the weather breaks and I can get out in the garage to get it going, so that may be a little while yet. But what I do want to do, and I'm starting a club called Trains and Things, Model Railroad Club, is the place for you guys to show your stuff, both pictures and videos, and your layouts, and it'll be a place for you to showcase your stuff, as to what you do, how you do it, why you do it, etc. It's whatever you want to do. It will be your club. I'll simply start it. This was a kit that I'm showing you now, that I showed you the picture of in the beginning of what it was, Pike Stuff building. And as you've heard many times before, you don't have to build your buildings according to the directions. If you want your railroad to look different than anyone else's, then you come up with your own designs. With this one, I laid the parts out. I wanted a three-dimensional building that you could put against a backdrop, or perhaps on one of your back streets that was narrow and long, but yet very three-dimensional. So this is what I came up with on that one. It was kind of pretty much straightforward, and the kits, they all come in the blue, and I simply didn't want to do it. I wanted this one to look a little bit older, so I primered it with ruddy brown and started it up. I laid all the pieces out flat and arranged them around in different ways, and I wanted this one to look a little older, so this is what I done with it. This is Proctor Produce. You can see that it's been there for a while because some of the letters are starting to come off the building, etc. It's a little weathered up. Mr. Proctor, evidently to help subsidize perhaps maybe a declining business, he rented the two-story side of it out to Harrison's Hardware, and it says it all on the sign. Now the building, I have not done anything to the back of it. As a matter of fact, it is open because it will be back on a backdrop. So let me kind of see if I can get you a different angle of it here. As you can see, on each end there is a larger door for, you know, your tractor trailers to pull into. All right. The smaller door is for receiving and sending, you know, the pickup loads. At the produce place, you get lots of pickup trucks coming in. Let me see if I can show you what the roof looks like. Oh, possibly not. Can't get my camera raised up here high enough, I don't think. Now, I'm modeling in scale, so the background is actually an HO scale background, but as you can see, the roof is a metal roof. I rusted it up, dirtied it up, just to give it the appearance of an older age. But this is what I want to do in this new club. I want you guys to post your stuff, including your trains, your pictures, your videos, what you did to them, what you're doing to them. We may be slow because, like I said, it's been a while since I've been in the railroad community, but I certainly like to get it back up and have a place for you guys to showcase your stuff. It's trains and things. Everything will be pertaining to railroading, you know, your buildings, your scenery, you know, your trains, your car, you know, box cars, whatever, as long as it pertains to model railroading. And we'll see if we can get something going. I think it could be fun. This is just actually a quick build that I did, just to kind of show you what kind of stuff. I have some other buildings that I can show you that I changed in order to make the railroad look different than straight out of the store or straight out of the box per se. So I'll leave it go at that, and try to get this video up so that you guys can see it and give us a try. And I promise you guys, there would not be any BS on this. It's just a fun, friendly thing. The only thing that I ask is, you know, let's keep it clean, because eventually, you know, we will have women and children viewing this, or we hope so. And we don't want to do anything to offend anyone. So stay tuned. Let's see what happens with it. And come on over and join in. It doesn't cost anything. There's no great restrictions. Well, there's no restrictions. It's just a fun spot to be. Okay? Thanks a lot, guys. This is Big Boss Jim. I'll be signing out for now, saying see you later. Keep doing your thing. Okay? Bye-bye.